Hey, this is Dean at Autotech Collision Service. We're here with another post-repair inspection. This customer found us. She's up in North Jersey, drove about an hour and a half to get here. She wanted to take her car to a Subaru dealership up near her. Her insurance company scared her out of that and kind of pushed her into taking it to one of the referral shops, basically telling her that she would have out-of-pocket expenses if she didn't go to the shop that they chose. So the customer went ahead with their referral shop. And after she got it back, she wasn't quite sure that everything was done properly. So she did some research, found us online, and came down to ask our opinion about what went down. Looking at her repair bill, there were some things that we concerned us right off the bat. But then we started to look at the repair. Knowing that they repaired this panel, we could see that there was hard tape lines all along the top. Obviously, there's the typical dirt in the paint. They never removed the roof rack. There's a hard line up here. Got overspray along the inside edge of the windshield, overspray on the trim here, overspray on the trim there, so they never removed them. When they painted this quarter panel, instead of painting it correctly and removing the doors and painting all the way into the weather strip, for whatever reason, they decided to make a line all along the roof and all down along this seam here. And then when they came into here, they just did an open clear blend, which feels like 80 grit sandpaper, and it's really dry. And that's just kind of some of the sloppy work, but really where it takes the cake is this quarter panel was a 14-hour repair. So this is all loaded with body filler here. It's so thick that you can see it all where the molding has to clip in. When they welded the studs on here, they pull it off and they rip all holes in the back of this. So the body filler is all oozing through on the back side of this, and this customer would have no way of knowing this if she didn't get a post-repair inspection done. Because from the outside to the average customer, this looks fine. But the body work is super sloppy. It would have failed later on down the road. Again, the back side of the panel is rusting. There's welds up back in there that they did. It really kind of looks messy. And on top of that, after an accident, this car should have had its eyesight recalibrated, should have had the seat belts checked, the steering columns checked, all the safety inspections that Subaru's looking for. None of them were ever done. And on top of that, when they painted the bumper, they spray canned this part of it and tried to blend it into the wheel flares. So the wheel flares are shiny and then it gets dull as it goes to the back. So overall, just a real sloppy job, no safety inspection. So it was unsafe that they put the customer back in it. But she would have never known this had she not gotten a post-repair inspection. This is Dean at Autotech. Check us out at autotechcollision.com.